Today what we're doing is we're performing an experiment or time study to be able to compare side by side an installation of stone versus our panel system. There's a lot of things to consider. One is time. Also, we're tallying up all the expenses. And what we're hoping to find today is that not only can we save time and money based on replacing stone, but also do it in a clean way without the collateral damage of equipment, mud, what it takes to excavate. So we're hoping to prove out today the benefits that we know UltraBase system has over a typical installation. For outdoors, we use a Champion panel that interlocks through an envelope system. It is a modular square system. However, our panels can easily be cut to fit any corner, any angle.
With panel, it's a much cleaner installation, and typically it's less labor intensive and really just quicker. Installing aggregate, we come in with a skid steer and we're gonna cut out about 4 inches. We're damaging areas all around the existing grass. We're putting tracks in it. We're dragging mud out into the parking lot. It's just a much messier installation. We will then come in with a woven geotextile fabric. We're then gonna come in with about 3 to 3.5 inches of 57 stone or 3/4 inch clean stone. We will level it, compact it, and then we will come in with a binds or a screenings material. With the panels, we're able to come in with something called a sod cutter. It will cut whatever depth we need it to cut. We're able to just essentially roll up the grass, toss it in a wheelbarrow, and wheel it out of the way. It's a much cleaner site, and then we can come in and lay the panels directly over a geotextile fabric. Instead of installing nailer board around the perimeter like we would with an aggregate base, you're able to staple directly into the Champion panels. Getting the material there for rock, you have a dump truck come in. They are going to dump a very large pile of rock right in the middle of your area, whereas with these panels, you just have a pallet. And you can unload the pallet can come directly from our company with all of the other materials. Much easier to just unload, position where you need it, and then just pull panels off as you need to pull them off.
Some neighborhood covenants don't want heavy trucks. If there's a neighborhood that all the houses are kind of compact, there's not a whole lot of room to get to the backyard, you can easily install our panels. Our base panels are used in multiple applications, not just for typical landscape. They're perfect for rooftops, for pet facilities. The extra drainage is really valuable in those instances.